Hello techies, this is CompTIA Security Pro 10.7.4 and we are going to secure an iPad. So you work as the IT security administrator for a small corporate network. The receptionist uses an iPad to manage employer schedules and messages. You need to help her secure the iPad because it contains all the employee's personal information. In this lab, your task is to view the current iOS version and then answer the applicable question, apply the latest software update, and then answer the applicable questions, configure auto lock with a 5-minute delay, configure passcode lock using a passcode of COSC at SP3R. We're going to require the passcode after 5 minutes. Configure data erase to wipe all data after 10 failed passcode attempts. Require unknown network to be added manually. Turn off Bluetooth. So we want to go to settings on the iPad. Then we'll locate general. Then we'll go to about so that we can check the current firmware on the phone. Okay, so this is the current firmware on the phone. Okay, this is the firmware version. Okay, so let's go to download, agree, click OK. So this is going to update the firmware. Software update install. We'll go ahead and install it. So let's answer some questions here. Which version of iOS is currently running on your iPad? Okay, we have version 15.2 and the current one is going to be 15.2.1. Let's minimize this. So the next task is to configure passcode on the phone. So we go to auto lock and set it to 5 minutes. Touch ID and password. Turn on passcode. I'm going to input, enter a passcode. So we can copy this and paste, or we just type it in. So I prefer typing mine in. Go ahead and click next. Repeat the same password. Go ahead, click done, and that is done. So we're going to require passcode after 5 minutes. So the next thing is to configure data erase after 10 failed passcode attempts. So erase data, enabled. Wi-Fi is turned on. Turn this. Turn Bluetooth off. Let's see how we do. Go ahead and check our answers. And everything is correct. Go ahead and scroll up. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. You can also consider joining my professional membership so that you can have access to my other TestOut lab that are not available here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.